Hello and welcome back to the channel. So today I'm taking you outside. We have a Lexus IS 300 20-year-old paint, very dull. We're gonna do a complete enhancement on that car. We're gonna put the boosted. The glass is in real bad shape. We're gonna concentrate a lot on that. All the plastic trim pieces are in real bad shape. So we're gonna do everything. So outside we go. Okay, so we go with the oxidation block as usual, yellow shampoo, and we got back on stock the 600 GSM wash mitt. Others are selling them for 15-20 bucks, $8 from us. We try to save you money. So simply glide away, back and forth as always. Very simple step. And this car sits outside, so the contamination is quite heavy. You won't be able to hear the noise, but you can hear all the particles lifting from the surface. Others will tell you that you need to use a chemical to do this, but I disagree. Just a way for you to spend more money that you don't have to. Okay, so we're gonna be testing our non-acid wheel cleaner. It probably will replace the wheel cleaner deluxe. Keep it the same name but new formula. If you recall, about 3 months ago we upgraded the foam ceramic shampoo, so now we're going to be doing some testing with this guy. Smells nice, so non-acid, so safe for our wheels. So we got one here. Position this a little better, and yeah, let's see how it works. And then I'm gonna use my favorite gizmo. So simply go in. Okay, so very nice. It works very well. I will do some more testing and then we continue. So let's see what else we have going. The glass looking phenomenal now. Look at that. I'll show you that already. Then we got the 50/50 here. Completely different. We did a test spot right here is, and then the transition to not done, not done. So we continue with this one, the IS. We're gonna do the wheels, clean her up, and then bring inside and start. Headlights needs to be done. So let's see the headlight, if we can make any difference just with the oxidation block. Obviously we're gonna polish it, but just for giggles to see if we see any improvement. Oh, some kind of improvement. Still hazy, but it did a little something, so that's cool. We continue. Okay, so I'm gonna show you one of my trade secrets today. Aluminum and chrome cleaner liquid form. That's what you use for your glass. As you pass it through, you can see the streaks coming alive, and then you just simply rub it in and work it, and they will come out. Right there, you can see them. So I would like to do my clay block first. That's for like the outside. This is a stuff that is embedded into the windshield. Then you need to go behind it immediately with a damp cloth to neutralize this. So I will work this out, and I sent a picture from the other side to the customer, and he texts me back like, "Oh man, no wonder I'm having a hard time driving." But here you can clearly see all of that. I hope you can capture that. Let's see, there's no clarity right here, all of that. So let me work on that and I come back. Okay, so here's something I'm gonna show you. So like I say, this car has a clean Carfax, no history of accidents or anything. However, I have identified that there's have been some work done to this panel, and the way I can confirm that is that I'm gonna measure the paint. Usually the cars are in the 4.5 microns. Most of them, some of them higher, some of them lower. I seen as low as 2.1 in a Porsche. So here on the trunk, for example, we have 4.1. Almost the whole car has that. But if I come here to this panel, this quarter panel, my reading is 15.5, 10.8, 8.2, 38.2, 38.2. So a lot of stuff going on here. So when you're gonna start doing your jobs, make sure that you measure the paint so you know what you have to work with. The rest of the car 6.1 some places, but for the most part the average is 4.5 minus this quarter here. So just keep that in mind when you're doing your detailing jobs. You need this gizmo right here. It helps you a lot. Okay, so we continue. Okay, so I'm gonna do this area here. I passed the prep pole already. So basically what I'm using is a trim paint. It's from another car care company. I will not mention the name. It is a good product, but it's a very hard product to work with. If it gets all over the place, from my findings, you have to level it up. You have to use a very small amount. Just gotta keep working it, multiple coats. But it's the only one that I have found that somewhat works. Then what I do is I put the booster on top. So I will give it a very light coat, let it dry, and then come back. And I noticed that if you don't level this up, then it looks real bad when you're done, so it takes a while to do. Okay, so this trim piece here, all faded out. So there's a few options. One, replace it. They're not available. Two, you could take it out and paint it. We're not gonna do that. So we're gonna put some type of ink that I have used before, and then we put the booster on top. And from my previous examples that I did, it seems to last a very long time. I got one couple cars going on 2 years, so I already start putting the prep oil, and then I'm gonna show you slowly how I'm gonna restore this in stages. So we go. Okay, so you put this stuff here with a little brush. Gotta be fast because it dries quite fast. And then you go behind and level it up. And like I say, it's a mother mess to work with. And my camera that has a white body, I see already some black spots. So this stuff just gets everywhere. But it does the job. This is my second coat. I will leave it like this, and then I will go behind it with the booster, but I show you the other side. Looks beautiful. Just simply work it, change your microfiber, and that's it. And there she is, all done, looking beautiful. Big difference. Okay, one done, one to go. Okay, the whole engine bay done. A lot of plastic here. So of course, with the boosted, it looks super nice. I restored that plastic trim piece. I'm gonna install the wiper arms back. So it's looking good. This will keep the engine bay nice and clean, and it will be very easy to keep up. Just wipe it up with a spray wax or whatnot. Okay, the final stretch. Doing the interior, the boosted. Customer requested to put it on the dash, so we're gonna do that. I had to clean all this dash. It had some type of previous product on, so every job has a story. This one has been quite interesting, just trying to enhance everything that we had. The glass was just something incredible. But no, for the most part, this is gonna be the last portion. I'm gonna coat all of this for him. It's gonna look real nice, protected. And this is gonna be a wrap. This is the last stretch. So we go. And here she is, all done, the Lexus IS 300. A lot of work. Engine bay done, outside, inside, and everything in between. Look at the headlights. Headlight fully done, sanded down, and then with the boosted. Surface with the Sweat Remover Pro X. Wheels and tires with the T2 and the wheel cleaner deluxe. And the glass. The glass was the center of attraction on this vehicle. The glass looks like glass. The glass took a lot of time to do, but it looks spectacular, and it needed it too. So all done with the Sweat Remover, then with the boosted 2.0. All of these trim pieces, we enhance them. So this is called an enhancement job. It's not a car that is perfect. It has some blemishes, but the customer wants to care for. So it's what we can call an enhancement, and it looks beautiful. Now this paint is popping, it's shining real nice. It was all dull, interior all done too, with the boosted and clean. So it looks good. Everything and everything. Okay, and there's the IS300. So check us online, turbowax.com. We're moving on to the next one. Until then.